You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
So here's something exciting from the Diamond. Joey Loperfido just blasted his first home run of the 2025 season, and it's got fans buzzing for good reason. The moment came during a key matchup when the Toronto Blue Jays were battling it out and needed a spark, and boy did Loperfido deliver. In the top of the fifth inning, with the score locked tight, he crushed one to right center field. That swing not only sent the ball soaring out of the park, but also flipped the scoreboard in the Blue Jays' favor, giving them a 2-1 lead. You could feel the energy shift. It wasn't just any homer. It was a statement. Loperfido showed why he's been a prospect to watch, and reminded everyone that he's got both the bat and the grit to make big league moments count. What makes this even more special is the context. This isn't a guy who just popped out of nowhere. Joey's been grinding with the AAA Buffalo Bisons, and recently, he made headlines for laying out and making an absolutely sensational diving catch in right field. The kind of play that turns heads and earns respect. That catch alone was enough to make highlight reels. But now, with his bat making noise too, Loperfido's name is suddenly front and center. Let's not forget, this home run didn't just look good on paper, it was a momentum changer. These are the types of at-bats that managers remember when they're making lineup decisions. And for Loperfido, it's an early yet clear sign that he's ready to contribute in a meaningful way at the big league level. Whether this blast was a one-off or the beginning of a hot streak, it's clear Joey Loperfido is here to compete. He's making plays in the field, driving in runs, and now flexing power when it counts. If you weren't paying attention to him before, now's the time to start. Because if this is how he's starting the season, we can only imagine what comes next.